Have you ever seen what happens inside your washer?
I haven't watched it, no.
How do the clothes look to you inside each washer?
This one, swirling it through, I like that.
It's rotating clockwise and then counterclockwise, so it's going to get a good wash.
They're all going to get cleaned evenly versus number one.
It almost sounds like it's moving from momentum. It looks like the clothes are then catching up with the momentum of the circle, so it's a little bit more natural.
You see not just parts of the jeans moving around, you see all of the jeans moving around.
Well, let's go over there and take a look. How's it looking at this point?
Not good.
Not good at all.
Looks like they're all getting distangled.
Right.
And the water's just going in one spot. Whereas this one, the water's going everywhere.
Yeah, it's even.
If they're not, evenly soaked in the water, the detergent's not going through them correctly, I don't even know if they would smell clean.
Well, the agitator did a much better job in number 2.
I'm very impressed with the way number 2 is operating.
Yeah, I would definitely go for number 2 just because it washes better.
Which one looks more acceptable to you?
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 2?
I would definitely go with number 2 because of the efficiency of the agitator, the even distribution of water.
I actually bought one very similar to number 1, but I'm kind of wondering if maybe I should have gotten with something along the lines of number 2.
If I was going to be laundry, I'd want to be a number 2.
Yes.
Exactly.